Good morning. It's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Hello! How are you? So, I'm back in the shoe shop, and today we're working on a project for my friend Naomi. She makes these incredible little creatures, right? And when I say incredible, they're like a 6-hour process to create these things. Like 6 hours. She uses silicone molds. Silicone? 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 I say silicone. Silicone molds to create them. And what she's finding out there is for 3D size that she needs or types that she wants. It's limited. And I said, I could make you a mold. Like, if you can find a piece that you like, I can make a mold. So you can create multiples of that piece. She found a piece. These two adorable little lovey birds are going to become a silicone mold. They're from 1992. They're called Loving Cardinals by Andrea. So we're going to make a mold of this so that she can make her little rusty creatures from it. And to do that, I have a really used up, wore out Tupperware. It's not even Tupperware. This is like Dollar Tree stuff. It's nasty. My husband's in love with the icky containers and the nasty. You don't get rid of them for nothing. But this one's going to get rid of. We're getting rid of it right now because we're going to make a creature mold out of these little cardinals. They're so cute. So cute. But that way, because like right now she could do her process on these cardinals, but that's it. She'd have to go find this creature again. And this way she can make multiples. Like she can do over and over and over and over again until that mold wears out. Do they wear out? I don't know. I'm worn any of mine out. I had given her a couple of my molds. This one in particular. To make birds, but then they're all this bird, right? So it's like she found a couple other pieces. So I'm going to be creating a couple different molds for her. We're going to start with this one because it takes 72 hours. But let me show you what I'm going to do. So kind of learned a little bit from our foray into making pieces, what to do. So let me get you switched around. As I get better, I will share with you guys what I learned. And the one thing that I learned was we're going to have to glue this sucker to the bottom of this. So I've got my hot glue going. And I'm going to basically make a seal all the way around the edge of this base. So that when we pour the mold material over this, he stays put and creates that opening we need to pour product in there. Right? All right. Now we're going to glue him to the bottom of the bowl. Or them, not him. So now they are glued. We'll let them cool while we mix up our mold mix. And I just have the Let's Resin A and B that we're going to mix up. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. See, now they're stuck in there. But the other thing that I learned is you need a container that's going to be deep enough, but also wide enough and not too wide or you're going to waste product, right? So we don't want to waste any product. We want to make sure we have just enough to create this piece. That's why I picked this manky bowl. This bowl will get tossed after this. There's no reason to. I mean, I could probably do another mold in it, but I wouldn't eat out of it a second time. Like, I wouldn't eat at that after that. Let me unplug this glue gun. Do not leave things with a heating element plugged in, even if there's an on-off switch. Can I just say that right now? I have not had an issue, but I fear for people that leave things that have a heating element plugged in. So just don't do it. Let me get a popsicle stick to mix this. All right, so I measured up approximately 1-to-1 here, and hopefully enough to cover. So I have about the same left in each jar. That's why I think we're good here. Wreck the cup. All right. Now hopefully we have enough. Woo! Right over the top. We do not. Dang it. We're gonna have to mix it all. It takes a lot. Let's just do the rest. Not enough. Not enough. Dang it. Gotta get it up above the crest of their head here. All right, how are we gonna do that? We are going to do this. We're gonna put stuff in there to raise the level. Well, I used glue to raise the level. Glue is starting to float, but it covers it just barely. And I don't know if that's thick enough. Oh. Like it raised the level enough to cover most of, hang on. Don't want to lose any of it. Drip that back in there. Drip that back in there. Just right there. Like it covered it. But that's the thinnest coat I've ever seen. We'll see how it comes out. Okay, guys. We're going to see how it came out. I know it's weird because I did all the weird stuff in it. And I want to see if it works. Try and see if it worked. It's been more than 3 days. Oh. I'm pushing on the side of the plastic to try and move it away from the edges of the plastic. There we go. Pop that off, pop that off, pop that off. It's like an old ice cube tray. That's what it reminds me of when I do this. Old ice cube tray. There we go. Pop it off. All right. Did I get all of it? No. Oh, we may have to cut it. That's fine. This is like a cheap. Hell with it. Let's cut it. I think I won't. There we go. Oh, okay. Get our little birdies out of there. And you know what? It can see the red crest on that one, but it's not poking through. Like when I run my finger on it, we're okay here, I think. I think I might have done it. I gotta get them out. It's not easy. It's like giving birth. Get him out of there. Okay, I'm seeing the duck butt or bird butt here. Hang on. Give me that tail. I got him. I got him. Ah. They survived. And look at that. Oh, Naomi. Got a double bird. Got double bird mold. Yeah, it might be a little thin. I'd put a little tape right there before you pour your mold. But other than that, woohoo, nice. This worked, which it's sloppy and it's messy, but now she at least has this mold. She's going to be like, you did what now? I put glue in it. I got to do what I got to do to make it work. We call this Jimmy rigging because my dad would do this, the OG rigging. Like, well, we're not going to lose it. I didn't want to lose it. Yeah. I have to put tape there. Definitely. But anyway, that's our mold for Naomi. A big ginormous, our first ginormous one. I'm definitely going to do more for her. More of her little critters. So she can make multiples of her favorite molds. But we will make sure we have enough product in a better size container for each one. So I feel like I didn't have the right size container. Like if I had a little smaller, probably would have been fine. But anyway, that's everything. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week, DIY tutorials, and of course, more junkin' videos.